Bienvenue à la classe. This is Technique Tips with RMJ Studios, a virtual dance studio. Today, we'll be finishing out our En Croix lesson with some self-checks to make sure that everything is well on track, specifically while working in turnout. So, let's dive in. Starting off with a general rule, keep everything turned out. I know that sounds obvious since we're working in turnout, but it's an easier mistake to make than most people realize. It's easier said than done, but presenting the heel will make sure that you stay turned out. But what does that mean, right? Presenting the heel means you're pressing your heel forward so it's what the audience sees when they're looking at you straight on, and the top of your foot is facing to the side. To ensure that you're presenting your heel in tendu avant and l'enséquent, keep your pinky toe connected to the floor, and in tendu derrière, keep your big toe connected to the floor. No matter what, you should always feel that little twist in your hip. Next, looking at our tendu à l'enséquent, make sure that your foot is traveling along the path of your turnout. What does that mean? Well, let's bring it back into our turned out first position. When you take your tendu à l'enséquent, your foot should travel in the exact direction that it's pointing, at the exact same angle as your turnout. So, unless you have a 180-degree turnout, your foot is not going to be going straight to the side. Finally, the positioning of your foot in your tendu derrière is extremely important. As you're presenting the heel forward, you also have to be very mindful not to place it too far away of your center or crossing your center. Your heel should always be directly in line with your spine and derrière at all times. And that's it for your En Croix. This was another one that was a lot to take in, but still pretty easy, right? Now, next time we'll be going over how we stand at the bar, and then we'll be ready to start getting into some combination work. For now, I'm Malone Jr., and this has been Technique Tips. Be sure to check out my full, live, online classes at RMJStudios.com for more.